How to create Epic Games account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create Epic Games account. First, go to Google Chrome and search Epic Games login. Then click on the first link that pops up. Then this kind of screen will pop up. Scroll all the way down to create account. Click on create account, then add your date of birth, date, month, day, and year. Then press on continue. Then add your country, email address, first name, last name, display name, password, and click on I have read and agree to the terms of service. Then go to email and copy the code that Epic Games has sent. Then go back to Google and paste the code and press on continue. Then this kind of screen will pop up. Scroll all the way down and add your address and click on Save Changes. Your account will be created. Then go to Google and search Epic Games again. And add the email address and password. And you're good to go. And that's how you create Epic Games account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.